loves, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to give you guys some temperature readings on the Rizzoli ML80. I started doing these temperature readings on each model that I test because I get a lot of questions on like, how hot does it get at this stage, how long does it take to cook, etc. So I really want to show you guys every single angle of the stove. If you have more ideas for me on things you'd like to see me film, drop them in the comments. I do like to take that into consideration. These are my initial burn temperature readings. 570 on the center cook plate, 208 on the front corner here, 387 towards the back, 148 on the front corner, 212 by the flue collar. Side panel of the stove on the left hand side, 93 at the top, 82 at the bottom. This is a convection style stove with the air outlets at the top. So once this gets burning hot, we should get nice airflow coming out here. Right hand side of the stove is going to be 98 at the top, 80 degrees at the bottom of the stove. Okay, I'm at my medium temperature burns, and I'm almost wondering if my medium isn't more like hot because of how quickly this stove got going. And maybe I built my kindling fire like too big and I should have started with less kindling. I just didn't realize how hot it is, like right there with no protection, the firebox, the flame, and the cooktop. So right now I'm now at 608, 608 degrees. 271 at the front of the stove here, about 232 over here in the corner, 293 in front of the flue, and about 576 back here. Over this other flue hole is about 183 degrees. Side panels now reading 120 at the top, 88 degrees at the bottom. Right hand side panel, woo, bug, is reading 136 at the top and 85 degrees at the bottom. So these are our medium temperature readings. Alright, I'm going to give you guys the hot temperature readings right now. Center cook plate is now 654. So yeah, I think that's a little hotter. Back here is 597 degrees. Over this plate is now at 220. This left-hand side is at 597. Front corner here is at about 375. Front corner here is at 464. Back in front of the flue collar is now at 588. So, yep, we exceeded. This is a hotter temperature reading. Top of the panel is now at 154 degrees. Bottom is at 95. That's the left-hand side. Right-hand side is reading 164. Bottom is at 92. So these air holes directly here, which I was saying are going to push the heat, yeah, I can feel them. The hot air coming out the oven side is at 190 degrees. Over the left-hand side here, airflow is 166 degrees. No, not excessively hot. I mean, nice amount of warm air coming off the top. It's kind of nice because in general, cooking and stuff can feel warmer on your legs, so having these side panels that are cooler to be able to stand off to the side of the stove and still have those hot cooking temperatures is a very nice feature to have. As always, if you like my videos, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. That helps me out so much, you guys. Thanks for your continued loyal support. God bless. Have a wonderful day.